Now for the higher level questions, actually these are very similar to the ordinary level questions that I was asked to do, so you could try them again and come back and see if you got them right. Okay, so first question was question 8. The boy is flying his kite. The string is 33 meters long. He's 1.5 meters high, and the angle is 39 degrees. How high is the kite above the ground? Again, the height is above the 1.5 meters that he's holding the string above the ground. So we need to find the height and then add 1.5. Last question we used tan because we had this distance. Now we know the length of the string, so I'm not using tan, I'm using sine because I have opposite and hypotenuse. So sine 39 equals h over 33. Multiply across by 33. 33 times sine 39 equals h. So 33 times sine 39 is 20.76. Or 77 if we round. Now let me just check. Near a centimeter, yeah, so 2 decimal places. Now I need to add the 1.5. So 20.77 plus the 1.5. 22.27 meters. Now, question 9, I'll just read it. A falcon flies from the top of a 14-meter tall tree at an angle of depression of 32 degrees to catch a rabbit on the ground. How far does he fly? In meters, to 2 decimal places. And how far was the rabbit from the base of the tree? Again, and then this one's to the nearest meter. So, this is what the diagram looks like. The angle of depression is 32. The tree or the wall was 14 meters high, and we're looking for how far does he fly, so I've called that F, and how far away was the rabbit, I've called that R. So part 1. Again, I have 2 options. I can use this as an alternative angle to this because these lines are parallel, or I can work out this angle. I'm just going to leave this angle here. Now, so F, I'm looking for the hypotenuse. I have the opposite. So I'm using sine. Sine 32 equals 14 over F. Multiply across by F. And then divide by sine. (14) over sine 32 is 26.42 meters if I round that. Okay, so that's how far the falcon was. Okay, that's how far he traveled. Now, if I want to know how far the rabbit was, okay, which is part 2, I'm now looking for the adjacent. So instead of sine, I'm going to do the same question, but I'm going to use I've got or and I've got the opposite, so I'm going to use tan. So tan 32 equals 14 over or. Multiply across by or, then divide by tan. So 14 over tan 32 is 22.4 meters. Okay, and that's connected to the nearest meter, I think. So 22 meters. Okay, so now that we're done that, the higher level questions I want you to do in book 2, the same exercise. Questions 4, 5, 10, 13, 14, 15. Do those, then watch the next video when we're going to talk about degrees and minutes.